Ganesh.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mysore.
So what's happening today, brother?
I'm going to bungee jump the second highest bungee.
So how are you feeling?
Good.
Alright, you ready?
Thank you so much. Yes,
Let's go
I am.
ahead.
Guys, ready? Look, normal. Hazır. Ready. I'm ready. Ready, brother?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Bumper coming up.